AccuLynx doesn't publish a fixed price because roofing companies get custom quotes based on team size, business volume, and which features they actually use inside the platform. By the end, you'll understand how AccuLynx pricing works, what drives the real cost, and whether it makes sense for roofing contractors compared to other CRM tools. AccuLynx is a roofing CRM built to manage leads, estimates, job tracking, production workflows, and customer communication in one system. Instead of a flat subscription, pricing is customized based on plan structure and company needs. Now explain plan structure. AccuLynx uses tiered access where different plan levels unlock different parts of the roofing workflow system. Lower tiers focus on core CRM functions like lead tracking, estimating, and basic job management, while higher tiers are built for production tracking, automation, and larger roofing teams. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, since advanced roofing tools like production workflows and reporting are typically included in higher tier plans. The second factor is team size, because more users means more estimators, project managers, and sales reps accessing the system. Now explain what you're actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one roofing business platform that replaces separate tools like CRM software, estimating tools, scheduling apps, and job tracking systems. That matters because roofing companies often compare AccuLynx to the combined cost of multiple subscriptions instead of a single platform. Now explain who uses it. AccuLynx is mainly used by roofing contractors and construction companies that handle high lead volume, multiple crews, and full production workflows. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no public pricing sheet, and costs depend on how many features a roofing company activates inside the system. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting AccuLynx to have a fixed monthly price, when in reality, it scales based on both features and business operations. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate AccuLynx pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your roofing workflow, instead of trying to find a single number online. Now, explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller roofing companies may not fully use the advanced production and automation tools, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler CRM options. Now simplify it. AccuLynx pricing is based on roofing business complexity, not a one-size subscription that applies to every contractor. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller roofing companies usually only need lead tracking and estimating, while larger companies benefit more because they can manage production, scheduling, and communication in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for leads, estimating, scheduling, production tracking, and customer communication. Then compare them to what AccuLynx replaces in one platform. If AccuLynx replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler roofing CRM may be the better fit.